Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to add funds into Cash App at Walgreens. Later in this video, I'll also show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First, open Cash App on your phone and make sure you are signed into the correct account. Once you are on the home screen, tap on your balance located in the bottom left corner of the app. This will open your balance and banking options. Next, look for the option called Paper Money and tap on it. Cash App will now show you nearby locations where you can deposit cash into your account. You can zoom in on the map to find a nearby Walgreens location, or you can use the search option and type in Walgreens along with your city name to find stores close to you. After selecting the Walgreens location you want to use, tap on the green button labeled Show Barcode. A barcode will appear on your screen. Keep in mind that this barcode expires after a few minutes, so it is usually best to generate it right before you go to the register. If it expires, you can simply generate a new one. Once you are at the register, let the cashier know that you want to deposit paper money into your Cash App account. Show them the barcode on your phone so they can scan it. The cashier will not scan your Cash App card, they only need to scan the barcode shown inside the app. After the barcode is scanned, hand the cashier the amount of cash you want to deposit. There is usually a small service fee added to the transaction, so make sure you bring enough cash to cover both the deposit amount and the fee. Cash App may also have minimum and maximum deposit limits depending on your account and location. After completing the payment, keep the receipt until the money appears in your account. In many cases, the funds are added within a few minutes, although processing times can sometimes vary. Once the money is available in your Cash App balance, you can immediately use it with your Cash App card or for transfers and payments inside the app. That's it. Now if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.